In this video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends error code 004 on your Windows PC. This error can stop the game from updating or launching properly, but running the game as administrator or resetting your network settings usually clears it right up. Let's get into it. Open the Start menu and type League of Legends. Right-click it and select Open File Location. When the folder opens, right-click the League of Legends shortcut again and select Open File Location once more. Now navigate back to the Riot Games folder, open the League of Legends folder, then open the game folder. Find the League of Legends.exe file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, click Apply, then OK, launch League of Legends and see if error code 004 is gone. If it's still there, move on to the next fix. Open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, then click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm when Windows asks for permission. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and restore everything to default. Your PC may restart on its own, or Windows might ask you to restart manually. Once it's back up, reconnect to the internet, open the Riot client, and launch League of Legends again. That's it. One of these two fixes should resolve error code 004 and get you back into the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.